Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre les articles indéfinis. Hello everyone, my name is Khushi and in this video we are going to learn about indefinite articles. Now before we begin, what do you mean by indefinite articles? So indefinite articles mean articles which we use when we want to introduce something that is not specific. Now for instance, let's say there is a book in the bag. I am saying a book. What does that mean? That I'm not very specific about whose book it is or of which color it is or what does it contain. So at that time I use indefinite articles. Now in English there are two indefinite articles, a and an. But in French there are three indefinite articles. Now before that let me tell you, in French all the nouns are categorized either under masculine gender or feminine gender, but in English there is no such thing. Now with practice, with your efforts and with learning, you will be able to remember which noun is masculine and which one is feminine. But there is sort of a trick that I want to tell you. In French, when a noun ends with the letter E, 70 to 75% you can say that the noun is feminine. Which are the three indefinite articles in French? First one is un, which is for masculine and singular nouns. Second one is une, which is for feminine and singular nouns. Third one is de, which is for masculine or feminine but for plural nouns. I repeat again, masculine and singular nouns. Une, which is for feminine and singular nouns. De, which is for masculine or feminine but plural nouns. Now, for instance, I want to say a notebook. I would say un cahier. Here, cahier means notebook and a precedes it because it is masculine and a singular noun. The next example is a pen, which means a stylo. A stylo. Another one is a bag, which means a sack. A sack. Now, whenever you see a preceding some noun, you could say that the succeeding noun is masculine and singular. Now, for feminine, if I want to say a lady, I would say une femme. Une femme. Now, if I want to say a clock, I will say une horloge. Une horloge. It is what? H mute. Okay. Another example is an eraser. If I want to say an eraser, I would say une gomme. Une gomme. All these were feminine. Now, the best part. When a noun is plural, you do not have to care whether it is masculine or feminine. Because be it masculine, be it feminine, for plural we have only one option in indefinite articles, which is what? They. Now, there is something with the use of the article they. In English, if you want to say books, you can say books and you do not have to use any article. But in French, if you want to say books, it would be literally translated as des livres. Article would precede the noun. Now, I hope you are through with the topic. Let us revise once again. A is used for masculine and singular nouns. Une is used for feminine and singular nouns. They is used for masculine or feminine but plural noun. All of these are what? Indefinite articles which when translated to English mean a or an. Dans la vidéo prochaine, on va apprendre les articles définis. In the next video, we are going to learn about definite articles. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and do let me know in the comments how do you find this video and also on which topic do you want me to make a video. Till then, bye bye.